First of all.
What's up, guys? This is Chris. Got my man David here. I'm probably not even on camera. That dude in purple. That dude in blue.
We're sharing glasses today, though.
Yeah, we're sharing glasses.
I ran out of contacts, that's why I'm wearing glasses. Today, we're doing something incredibly simple. That is, we are finishing Smurf's freaking interior.
Yes.
We did the carbon pieces, which took a little bit of fitting for the center console that you had to do some trimming. Fit pretty good.
Yeah.
So now what we're doing is finishing it off with some brand new TMI seats. So let me grab those for you right now. Okay, so the first time around when we did seats in Smurf, it was essentially taking the factory seat and then reupholstering it with TMI's kit. This time around, we're gonna do it the more simple way of just a direct bolt-on with a brand new seat. Here we go, brand new TMI seat. It looks very, very nice, and it'll give Smurf a brand new, updated look. So a lot of people thought that the TMI seats looked a little too big for me, but the reality was that I'm a small person. When it came to just cruising very long periods of time, it was awesome. I had an amazing time with these other TMI seats, with the kit and everything for years. These fit me better. They're gonna be more snug, much more of a racing seat vibe, so I'm very excited. You know what's funny, Chris?
What's up, buddy?
I think it's my first YouTube video I've done in my glasses since like I painted my Integra or something.
Yeah, it's
been like 2 years almost.
Yeah.
But you know, maybe it gives me the false sense that I know what I'm talking about.
He's smart.
Anyway, Chris, what is the first goal of putting these seats in the Mustang?
So, I mean, we've already, got the seat out of it. We're gonna put the seat sliders onto the bottom, and then after that, we're gonna bolt the bracket that bolts into the car. They are vehicle specific, so they will bolt right up and then bolt into the factory spots using factory hardware. It's a plug and play install, so it's relatively simple. So
Go ahead, say it.
Just another.
Go ahead, say it. Go ahead, say it.
Hey.
That's right. We're engaged.
So I can drive Smurf now?
No.
she's never gonna stop.
I'm gonna let her. I'm just teasing her, right?
Stop
It's raining
complaining-
outside, so
if I
not today.
Stop complaining about driving Smurf, I can get a dog.
Oh my God, David!
Okay.
You know what I had last night?
Waffles?
Waffle House. You ever notice like the sweet tea from Waffle House?
I only get coffee there.
Okay, so I get the sweet tea, but listen, hear me out first. Does Waffle House sweet tea not taste like dirty dishwater?
Well,
Like they just brewed it through a rag that they just cleaned the tables
let me
with.
tell you.
It's good, but
What do you mean it's good?
you don't think it tastes good? Well, you
I don't drink it.
Yeah.
I have,
So how would you even know?
So how do you know what the dirty dishes taste like?
I don't,
though?
I just-
Licking the table before you sit.
The thing is, if you ever try to have like a miniature playful argument with Alejandra, she comes up with basically you're the bad guy every single time. It's almost like I know. Aaron,
Yo.
visiting from New York. Why are you?
Hi.
No, I'm
They're-
not flicking them
Okay,
off.
you know what's funny? In our video on Instagram, when you were showing people your ring and stuff, people were like, why is she flicking us off? It's like, wrong finger, bro. It's gonna be okay.
I can show you the finger.
That's okay. No, demonetize!
In the middle.
Make sure
First.
when you do the spring that these rings are in the middle, because we accidentally put this on without them first. But we're human, okay? Right, Chris?
Yes.
All right, so the next thing is once you have these on, make sure that these notches are even. The way Chris just did it was to count each notch to make sure that these were even. That way you don't have a lopsided seat. Now, the bracket, which is the thingamabobber that actually attaches to the bottom of the car, or the floor of the car. Oh my God, I can't talk tonight. Goes on here, and then you take the supplied hardware, and they go right on. Okay, so the next bit is what Chris is doing is to take the seat belt off the factory seat. It's this massive Torx bit, which you're gonna probably want to use an impact. Look at that.
Oh.
Boom.
So now we'll bolt it onto the other one.
Okay, next step. Put the seat in the car.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Andre just forgot about me.
Yep. Oh, look at that.
And it's in. And then we
Wow.
just gotta bolt it
That
down.
looks dope.
It does look good.
It
I
sits
like
nice and low too.
I like the stitching.
It looks really nice. By the way, there's also a backseat kit for this as well. But for now, I already have the blue stitching in the back. I'm gonna leave that for now. It still looks freaking sweet with the white stitching up front. Oh yeah, this is way better. Okay, now that I have sat down, these fit my skinny little body way better. The other ones are definitely very comfortable and they're very like more of like a luxury car experience. This feels like more of like a sports car kind of feeling. And these are keeping me more in place. Yeah, I just really, really like this, and they sit lower, which is what I also was looking for. So, perfect so far. Now we gotta do the driver's side. So, basically the same story on this side. There's 4 giant bolts all the way around. Take those out, and then there's gonna be a connector underneath that you need to be aware of that you wanna unplug before you remove the entire seat. There it is, like Mr. Zane displayed. Oh, he's got it. I salute you. First TMI seat. Yep.
Yeah.
Chris,
Yes.
what do you think of the new seats?
I actually like them. They're pretty comfortable. They contrast a lot well with the stitching, I think. The blue was awesome, but
Yeah.
honestly, I think that this better fits the car, and especially with what we have planned later down the road. I think it's gonna.
We have no secrets, we promise.
You have no secret.
But no, these seats fit me better. I like the appearance of them more. I'm sitting lower, and I was sitting very high on the previous ones because you're on the factory hardware, the factory sensors, the factory everything.
Yeah.
But other than that, extremely happy with the fit and finish. TMI, thank you so much for helping us out with this. Just spinning the entire time. All right, so it's been a few days. I've gotten used to driving around in my brand new TMI seats, and what do I think of them? Was it just love at first sight? You know, when you get a new part for your car and you're like, you know what, I love it. And then a few days later, you're like, geez, I don't know. I feel way more secure. I feel lower in the car, which is what my true desire was. With all the things this year I've done to my interior to make it feel a lot more modern, I'm so happy with it. And also, a lot of people were asking me after living with the Tesla screen for a while, the Phoenix screen for a while, what is my verdict? It's something to get used to. At first, I was like, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know this user interface. But just like with everything, time is what really mattered with it. But Smurrf, man, it's at 111,981 miles. What a journey this car has had over all these years. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end up T56 swapping this thing soon because this MT82 is finally starting to make some noise. I am surprised after all this time that my MT82 has held up as long as it has, so I'm thankful, but I think I'm gonna end up Tremec swapping this to give Smurrf the love it deserves and the right transmission it should have had all along. On that note, I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Check out SSR Collision if you need any work done to your car, body work, whatever it is.
Whatever it is.
These are the people to come to if you're in the Georgia area or even anywhere else.
Yeah, we have people shipping cars from all over the state.
Everywhere. All right, bye guys. Hope you have a wonderful night. Bye. This video is brought to you by Patterson Car Care. Get double of premium original detail product for half the price. Head over to PattersonCarCare.com or go to the link in the description below.